Good morning, everybody. I'm here with a book today called The Mixed Up Chameleon. So we're going to learn about this chameleon and see what he does to get all mixed up. The Mixed Up Chameleon by Eric Carle. On a shiny green leaf sat a small green chameleon. It moved onto a brown tree and turned brownish. Then it rested on a red flower and turned reddish. When the chameleon moved slowly across the yellow sand, it turned yellowish. You could hardly see it. So here are some pictures of the chameleon showing all the different colors that he can change. When the chameleon was warm and had something to eat, it turned sparkling green. But when it was cold and hungry, it turned gray and dull. So there's the happy chameleon, and there's the sad chameleon. When the chameleon was hungry, it sat still and waited. Only its eyes moved up, down, sideways, until it spotted a fly. Then the chameleon's long and sticky tongue shot out and caught the fly. That was its life. It was not very exciting. But one day, the chameleon saw a zoo. It had never seen so many beautiful animals. Look at all those animals. All different colors and sizes and shapes. The chameleon thought, "How small I am, how slow, how weak. I wish I could be big and white like a polar bear." And the chameleon's wish came true. But was it happy? No. So there's the big white chameleon. I wish I could be handsome like a flamingo. So look at that. He has some flamingo wings and some flamingo legs now. He's looking pretty silly. I wish I could be smart like a fox. Now he grew a foxtail. I wish I could swim like a fish. Oh my goodness, now he has his fish fins. He's not looking like a chameleon anymore. I wish I could run like a deer. He grew some deer antlers. I wish I could see things far away like a giraffe. He grew himself a long giraffe neck. I wish I could hide in a shell like a turtle. I wish I could be strong like an elephant. His head turned into an elephant now. Oh my goodness. He doesn't have much of his chameleon body there. I wish I could be funny like a seal. He has some seal flippers. I wish I could be like people. Just then a fly flew by. The chameleon was very hungry, but the chameleon was very mixed up. It was a little of this and it was a little of that, and it couldn't catch the fly. So he added his umbrella and hat to be like people. So he has his polar bear, flamingo, fox, fish, deer, giraffe, turtle, elephant, seal, and people parts. But he doesn't have anything like a chameleon anymore. I wish I could be myself. The chameleon's wish came true, and it caught the fly. The end. So in the end, he had turned into all these different rainbow colors and all these different animals and creatures and people, but he wasn't himself, and he couldn't eat. So he turned back to himself so he could get his little fly. I hope you enjoyed that book, and I'll have an activity for you where you can design your own chameleon and try to make him like the chameleon in the beginning of the book, where he camouflaged himself depending on where he was. So look for that activity, and I can't wait to see what your chameleons look like. Have a wonderful day. Bye.